release technique, but it is about letting yourself go, completely losing yourself into madness. So the technique is very difficult. It's not Indian. That is not Indian. It's the only thing that we did not Indian. Just letting yourself go. So when we worked also, it was very difficult for us to work because it's how do you find emotions when you completely let yourself go. To have a kind of vocabulary or set pattern is easy. You finish your physics, it's easy. But letting go is very. So yeah, we would want to, because there are other things also. There's another production called Rasa, which is very Indian. It's very calorie packed. It's very, very Orisi. It's very Indian. Much more to the level. Yeah, but dance, it's a state of your mind. It's a lifestyle. It's how you expose yourself. It's how you feel about yourself. It's like classical is also, you see classical dancer like Anandaka, you immediately recognize she comes from that. Everything is so charming about that. So again, contemporary is a state of mind because whatever I do will be contemporary. Even probably speak is contemporary. Okay, so the contemporary dance form is it's not larger than life, I would say it's your life, it's realism. And so whatever you do becomes that. Yeah, but if you have to teach you contemporary dance, I would say it follows stretches, it follows lines and toes. Okay, they walk, breathe, sleep, pointed toes.
One more question from the gang.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
I was roped in the last
Huh.
and I was going to still be attracted to this kind of dance form. I just want to know.
Do you want to repeat the question once again? Yeah. Hi, as Arunima has introduced me, my name is Chetan and I'm working with All India Radio as an archer. I was roped in during the last moment. My friend Lakshmi introduced me to Arunima, and during the last few days I joined, I got instantly attracted to this kind of dance form. Arunima, like this is something new in Hyderabad. I've been doing lots of work, but I haven't come across anything like this. Are there any training institutes or workshops of this dance form, contemporary dance?
In Hyderabad, I'm not sure. We're doing it. Anandaka was here. She does a little. She does neoclassical, and there is somebody called Pradesh. Is he here? Pradesh. Pradesh is there. He's a calorie packed artist, and he does also work on contemporary themes. No, contemporary dance more than dance is the theme, right, Pradesh? It's how you treat the theme. That's the perspective is different. But yeah, Hyderabad is new in contemporary scenario. I do agree to that. You do have lots in Bangalore. It's everywhere. You have lots in Kolkata. Kolkata, everything is contemporary. You have contemporary shops, contemporary dance, contemporary art, contemporary food, every corner. So yeah, it's new. I don't think so. We are here, but I would really request one thing. I always say classical background is at utmost necessary because I have had classical background. Most of you here have had, Pradesh sitting there has had classical background, which is the grammar. Film dance can be done anytime. You have the joy in your spirit, that's it. You put on the music, there is nothing, I wouldn't say there is nothing great because it's great about every dance, but it can come anytime. So, contemporary, the only thing I want to say, more than dance, contemporary is a way of life, contemporary is how you look at it, and contemporary is your lifestyle. You have a modern furniture in your house, you have a lovely mirror with straight cuts. But the same thing should be also in your lifestyle. Only when we think of, dance, why does it have to have filmy? Because before we were doing this show, many asked us, what song are you dancing on? And we said we had some poems, so there was like, oh, what poems? So, this can be a taste also. This different taste can be developed. Yeah. What do you say? And it's similar, I feel, with classical dancers also. They have their own personality, individuality coming out of that particular dance. So is any music, even if you have a Sonu Nigam is different from probably, who else is there? Yeah, Shankar Mahadevan. So there's an individuality. Similarly, the dancers also get an individuality, and with that comes a dance style, right? Thank you. Anything else?